Good morning, everyone. I'm thrilled to welcome you to this special showcase of a truly remarkable development, Meyer Blue. This masterpiece, developed by UOL and Singapore Land, it's a limited edition in a class of its own. It holds the most prestigious address in the East, a property that's not just any home, but also a legacy to be passed down from generations through generations. Once again, welcome to Meyer Blue. The address Meyer. Meyer is often known as the Nassim of the East, known for its prestige, low density, close proximity to town. Meyer Blue is also the latest addition and possibly the last of its kind for the foreseeable future. This scarcity makes Meyer Blue even more unique. Facing south, you get a full unblocked waterfront view. Facing north, a premium landed view. So with no further supply on the horizon, it's truly one of a kind. To enhance this reality, Meyer Blue draws true inspiration from art and luxury. The design is influenced by Yves Klein, the renowned French artist and the master of blue. Now, blue represents boundless, connecting seamlessly without clear beginning or end, a concept that flows through the design of Meyer Blue, creating a sense of infinite space. Meyer Blue's unique design revolves around this philosophy, making it more than just another prestige condo. It's thoughtfully crafted piece that stands out not just in Meyer Estate but across the entire East Coast. Meyer Blue isn't just another freehold property, it is not just another art piece development. Now, this development embodies the quality of a real legitimate legacy, one that can pass on to future generations. This is the highest form of tribute for any property, a lasting legacy in every sense. From the grand lobby that welcomes you into the extensive landscape stretching all the way into your unit with every details meticulously crafted. With 226 units spread across 26 stories, Meyer Blue offers you a range of 2, 3, 4, 5 bedrooms and 2 exclusive penthouses. Every layout faces the full unblocked waterfront view or the premium Meyer landed estate. The show flat is now open for private preview. Contact any of our heartened salesperson for an exclusive appointment before it's all taken. Once again, this is 𝐂𝐨𝐬𝐭 and I'll see you at the show flat.